let's learn some words to enhance our English vocabulary. Euphoric, extreme happiness. She was euphoric when she received the Oscar. Gigantic, extremely big. He has a gigantic appetite and eats a gigantic meal. Dreadful, extremely bad or serious. They told us the dreadful news. Gibberish, meaningless speech, words that have no meaning. I was so nervous that I just started talking gibberish. Enchant, fill someone with great delight. Charm, the witch enchanted the princess with the magic words. Nifty, good, effective, handy or useful. The nifty hacks from Instagram are a savior for new moms. Idyllic, extremely pleasant, simple and peaceful. Country life isn't as idyllic as townies imagine. Swamped, drowning or flooding with some work. The boat was swamped by an enormous wave. Suave means to be sophisticated, polite, well-mannered. He is a suave, cool and cultured man. Atrocious, something horrible, terrible. The weather has been atrocious all week. Constant, a situation that does not change. Her constant chatter was starting to annoy me. Flummox, to confuse someone so much that they forget what to do. I have to say that last question flummoxed me. Vacant, of a place not occupied or empty. There were many vacant seats in the theatre. Sluggish, to move in a slow manner, lacking in energy. A heavy lunch makes me sluggish in the afternoon. Neutral, an impartial or unbiased state or person. I always tried to remain neutral when they started arguing. Courteous, polite, respectful, or considerate in manner. The hotel staff are friendly and courteous. Astonish, surprise or impress someone greatly. The magician's next trick will astonish you. Magnificent, extremely beautiful, elaborate or impressive. She looked magnificent in her wedding dress. Miniature, a thing that is much smaller than normal, especially a small replica or model. I have a detailed miniature of Titanic. Humorous, causing laughter, amusement, comic. His humorous remark made everyone laugh.